Well, here is what we have waiting for us underneath the Project LS Merkur XR4Ti. Got the old exhaust. There's still the Ford T9 transmission. This mount is dead. Little Guibo. I mean, super solid. I've actually owned this car for, I don't know, 15, 20 years. It's a Texas car. It's really solid. No rust anywhere. Maybe some surfaced on the top of the roof or something somewhere, but this thing is really solid. Engine blew, took it out. It's been sitting for several years, and so it is time to get this thing going again. Look up here, I've got a Cosworth sway bar. Let's check it out up here. Got some SVT wheels. Anyway, good solid car. I'm excited to start the swap here soon. And yeah, should be exciting to do. Got a lot of help from some of the companies that I deal with, and they should be able to help me out getting all the goodies that I need. Anyway, stay tuned.